Hey.
In my humble opinion. So
What's up, guys?
You guys like them, man. I love them. So.
See, I don't really walk my dogs. I just kind of let them out in the backyard. It's gated, and that's kind of how we walk them. But it's only fitting they make a cameo in this video, right? Y'all mean? So let's get into it.
Pick a shoe out the shroom, that's how the day be. Whoa, got way more kicks than a pregnant lady. Hey, yeah, started off with the son, the trade master. He's stealing trays like he the hat slinging slasher.
YouTube, what is good? Generational Hype Beast is back at you with yet another video, man. And today we retroing back to 420, man. I was able to hit this on the Sneakers app, man. Let me step to the side and show you this thing right here. Y'all mean? So I picked these up for a good friend of mine, man. I like them. Like, I would like to own them in the collection, but would I really rock them? Other than a couple of times, probably not, man. I got a lot of SBs that I think are dope, and I just hardly wear them. Like, for instance, this pair right here, man. I think this pair is dope. Now, have I rocked it? Yes, I have, but I've only rocked it like maybe once or twice. So when the homie told me he wanted them, man, I was like, yo, you got them. If I hit them, you got them. So Nike said I got them. I called the homie and told him, you got them. You know what I mean? So that's how that go, man. They just showed up today, man. Shout out to my boys at Hillgrove Hawks, man. We had Region today. Shout out to Hillgrove, GGOD. But these shoes, man, they came from Nike. You see the logo, you see the Just Do It tape, man. I'm not gonna show the other side because it's got the address and all of that on it, man, and I don't even want to get to that. So here we have the shoes, man. You know, they're just glamming up a little bit on these lights, man. So they got the Nike SBs, man. You see that tag right there? And what we got here is the Nike SB Dunk High Pro QS, man. Quick stripe. And it is size 10.5. It's going, is that fur?
What?
Is that fur?
Yeah!
It's FIR, fur, University red, black, and white, man. You got the wood grain paper. Sheesh. And this is a dope sneaker, man. I'm gonna tell you right off the rip, man. My first glance at it made me smile, so this is dope, man. The homie gonna be happy with these guys, man. I ain't even gonna lie to you. I did tell him I was gonna do this review before I gave them to him, so he was down with that. And these are the Walk the Dog SBEs, man. Dog walkers, whatever you want to call them. Just make sure you call them dope. A few things, few details about this shoe that I have just researched on. Okay, obviously this suede portion is not dog hair. That is an actual suede. But the black, the Dalmatian print, the brown is all, and the tongue is all 100% dog hair, man. So that's pretty cool. And this Nike swoosh, man, that is made up of basically leash material, man. So everything about this shoe is dog related, which is funny because it's a 420 shoe, man. Normally it's like, for those of y'all that don't know, 420 is like the celebration of weed in some form or fashion. I don't know, man. I don't indulge, so I can't really tell you, but I know that's what they always talking about. So it's got this red piping going all the way around the shoe, which is kind of dope. Ties in that swoosh really nicely. Let's loosen this guy up a little bit and get into it. I know I haven't gotten to the sole yet. I know I haven't gotten to the other shoe, but I'm gonna get to that in a second, man. Y'all just be patient. Bear with me. So on the inside, no shoe trees, just that guy, just stuffing. And inside of here, man, you got a Zoom Air insole, which is pretty standard on the SBs, I believe. I know my bread pair had them. And then you just got all of the dogs, man. So the insole is pretty dope. I rock with that. I rocks with that. Oh, and look what I just found, man. Look what I just found. Now the 420 is coming into the light. You got a stash pocket right there, man. See that stash pocket? See my fingers going down in that guy, man. Got you a little stash pocket right there. And the SB with the dog poop. Speaking of dog poop, man, you can see the right shoe comes with the dog poop right here on the back heel, which is cool, man. Milky white sole with the pure white insert with the Nike SB. Details on this guy is crazy, man. On the left shoe, you got the dog poop up here on the front quarter of the sole, and you can see that from the side view as well, man. If you didn't know, right here, this little doggy bag, this little poop bag is an extra set of laces, and I'm not going to unravel these laces because I want them to get the full effect of these guys. But inside of here, I know for a fact that this is a brown lace. It's like this color brown, so that's pretty dope. Both shoes have the stash spot, which is cool. And on the back, man, you got the Nike SB dog tag, and on this side it says Sparky, man. So I don't have a Sparky. I got a Lexi, a Macy, a Littlest Buddy, and an Abby. Littlest Buddy's actual name is Winston, but I've always called him the Littlest Buddy since he was the Littlest Buddy. So, but yeah, man, this shoe is crazy, man. This shoe is going crazy. Like, I understand why people was really wanting this thing. Let me put this up a little bit. I'm not gonna give y'all an on feet with these guys, man. I want him to get his pair crisp and clean, but I did want to bring it to you. So let me know in the comment section, man, whether or not you was able to cop these last week. They did drop on 4/20, which was Saturday. I think it was Saturday. And it's a dope shoe, man. That's all I can say about it. So let me know, man, if you got these guys. The resale is not that bad. The retail price on these was $110, man. So I think resale is somewhere between $300 or maybe a little less. For this quality of shoe, man, it's worth it. It's worth it. And I wouldn't say that about most shoes, but I think this shoe is worth it, man. So if you like these guys, man, hit up StockX, hit up Go get you a pair. You know what I mean? So other than that, man, that is it, man. Dad Cam Solo Dolo once again, man. I worked Austin to death today, y'all. We had a meet, and I ran the pole vault pit, which meant he ran the standards. If you don't know what that means, man, he was the guy putting the pole back up that they jump over and over and over again, man. It was 18 jumpers total, boys and girls, so it lasted about 3.5, 4 hours. So for about 3.5, 4 hours, he was in the sun, you know, maneuvering that bar. So he knocked out right now. But dog walkers, walk the dogs in the building, man. It's your boy Pops, Solo Dola, Solo Dola, Solo Dola. What? Solo Dola. Check it out, man. Holla.